Question number 24, 52. One factor is x cubed plus 64. Another one is x to the power 4 minus 81 is equal to 0. How many distinct real solutions does the given equation have? Okay, so now we have to find the solutions, and for that we need to find the factors, and for that we need identities. So as you can see, this is a cubed and plus sign, and this 64 is the cube of 3. So first identity we are going to use is like 8x cubed plus y cubed is equal to x plus y, x squared minus xy plus y squared, right? So what we have, x cubed plus 64 is the cube of 4 plus 4 cubed. So that is x plus 4, x squared minus 4x plus 16, right? So these are the factors of this. Let's start doing here. So 52 x cubed plus 64 x4 minus 81 is equal to 0. First, let's write the factors of this, which are x plus 4, x squared minus 4x plus 16. Now we will factorize x4 minus 81. So for that we are going to use the identity because there is a negative sign in between. X squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y times x minus y. Now this 81 is a square of 9. So I'll write it as x squared minus 9 squared is equal to x squared plus 9 squared and x squared minus 9. X plus 9, x square plus 9, right? Because here we have x4 minus 9 square. So x square plus 9 and x square minus 9. Now again I can see x squared minus 9 as x plus 3 and x minus 3. So the three factors are x squared plus 9, x plus 3 and x minus 3. Okay, so the three factors are x squared plus 9, x plus 3 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have done the factorization part. We will apply the 0 property and try to solve the question. That means putting every factor is equal to 0. 52 is equal to 0. No, that is not the 0. Instead, initially you can divide the whole sides by 52 to get rid of this. And then we will not be writing this. Now first is x plus 4 is equal to 0. Second is x squared minus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. This is x squared plus 9 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now if you do this, right, x squared is equal to negative sign. This is going to give me an imaginary number, not the real one. So that is deleted. If you do this, x is equal to negative 4, one of the solutions. If you do this one, x plus 3 is equal to 0, subtracting 3 on both sides, x is equal to negative 3. If you do this one, x is equal to 3. Now we have applied the logic here that if you have squared or do square root, inside negative sign, no real solution. Now this is a quadratic equation, right? Just to find that this equation has real roots or real solutions or not, we find a quantity known as discriminant, right? See, I am using here discriminant as it is, but if you need the detailed explanation of it, just message me. Or if you are seeing my videos, in some of the videos when only this concept is asked, I have explained the whole thing, why D is responsible to find out the real roots or not, right? D is equal to minus B, okay, B squared minus 4AC. So here A is 1, B is negative 4, and C is 16. So negative 4 whole squared minus 4 times 1 times 16. 16 minus 64, and it is a negative value, right? Negative value. And when D is less than 0, there are no real solutions, right? So that means this is not going to give us real solutions. This is first of it. This part is not going to give us real solutions. This is second, and this is third. So there are exactly 3 real solutions for this. So B is the right option. Okay. See it 2 or 3 times to absorb all the informations given in the question, right?